guys, सत श्री अकाल and welcome back to my channel. बस दिवाली तो आ ही गई है, followed by the beautiful wedding season. And I swear I have been shopping my heart out in the Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale. There is nothing better than the Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale, for there are amazing products, quick delivery and of course the best prices guaranteed across categories. आपने मेरा पिछला वीडियो देखा ही होगा wherein I showed you a beauty haul. Well, in my today's video, I'm going to show you some of my fashion picks from Amazon that help me put together a perfect Diwali party look. We all love Amazon, don't we? Well, of course, because there are amazing range of affordable products. Well, most importantly, I get some great deals and discount, and the Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale is your one-stop shop for your Diwali and wedding shopping. So without any further ado, I will show you what all did I pick for myself. Okay, so the first product that I'm super excited to bring home this Diwali is this Inalsa 1200 watt garment steamer. I have been meaning to get a garment steamer which is portable, easy to carry, especially during weddings or if I have to travel somewhere. And for the last minute Diwali party looks, well, I'm super happy to have actually found the perfect product in the Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale at an amazing, rather at an unbelievable price. Okay, so the next product that I actually gifted myself this Diwali is this Casio Sheen analog digital watch. This is in blue color. I absolutely love this because it's got this beautiful rose gold dial and it looks amazing, especially when I wear a pair of denims or if I'm wearing any blue Indian ethnic outfit. So guys, when it comes to spending a lot of money on, online shopping, I only trust Amazon for the most authentic products and of course for easy customer support like I mentioned earlier. If there's a little bit of doubt that I have regarding any product, it's so simple to speak to their customer support system and get your queries resolved in no time. So the Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale has amazing discounts, especially for the beauty hoarders like me. So ladies, you will get heavy duty discounts and you'll also be spoiled for choice when it comes to personal care and beauty products. So the next product that I've actually picked as a gift for my sister this Diwali is this beautiful bottle of perfume by Carolina Herrera. By the way, I got a 10% discount on this bottle of perfume. You can find some beautiful variety of perfume and fragrances on the Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale to find the perfect gifts for your loved ones. So the next product that I've picked up is for my hair. It's this L'Oreal Professional Extensor Care Serum. Actually, I've picked the combo which includes the shampoo and the mask and I absolutely love it. This serum especially helps me style my hair for the last minute Diwali looks or for the wedding season, and I love this bottle. And guess what guys? You have a combo deal available in the Great Indian Festival Sale that includes the shampoo, the serum and a mask from the L'Oreal Professional Extensor Care range, so do check it out. Okay, so there's one makeup product that I have to swear by for my perfect Diwali party looks or for the festive season. It's a blush on and this one from Maybelline has my heart. I absolutely love this rose shade. It's shade number 30 from Maybelline Fit Me range, and you again have some great amount of variety as well as pricing available across beauty categories on the Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale. So hurry up and order because Amazon offers the fastest delivery and we all know it, right? So most of you know that I love to wear a sari, so that's why I actually got one on the Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale, and I love this blue sari that has this embellishment, and it's perfect because I can pair it for Diwali card parties. I can pair it with the brocade blouse. I could wear it with a plain silk white blouse and create the perfect Diwali party look. No festivities is ever complete with the right kind of jewelry to pair up with your ethnic look. I got this beautiful pair of jhumkas from Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale, and ladies, there is a very huge variety of jewelry products available at your disposal, so do check it out. I always love shopping on Amazon, and with the Great Indian Festival Sale, I was able to save a lot of money while picking up the right products for myself and for my family. Well, make sure to check out the Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale because it ends on 2nd of November. So you have a very few days left on your hands to pick up the right products, shop from the comfort of your home and pick up the right gifts, right products for your family and friends. You can choose from a huge variety of products across electronics, home appliances, fashion, beauty, home decor and so much more. I'm going to leave a link in the description box of all the products that I've picked up. Make sure to check that out as well. Guys, if you like this video, then make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Also, do stay in touch with me on my Instagram with my handle @GuiltyBites. Have a beautiful festival season and happy Diwali to one and all.